Hand over the bottle or cans if the receiving window glows green, no fluid, up to 2 liters. Follow the instruction.
Isang mapagpalang araw para sa aking mga taga-subaybay. Bilang isang ina, I'm just trying to be some kind of a model to my kids. But before that,
What did you say? Say that again.
If God gave you at least one girl, that's gonna spoil her.
oh diba, may pa-statement pa si Kuya Baste. Di ko nga alam kung bakit nasingit niya pa yung statement na yon. But anyway, dahil Thursday ngayon at wala silang basketball training, niyaya ko silang mag-walking. And at the same time, naisipan ko ding dalhin yung aming plastic bottles at dumaan sa may grocery store kung nasaan yung eco-platform. It's my way of keeping myself fit kasama aking mga anak. At the same time, makakatulong na rin kami sa kalikasan. My boys are very supportive naman pagdating sa walking, exercise, or sports. So ano nga ba yung eco-platform? Sa pagkakaalam ko, eco-platform is a vending machine that reverse plastic bottles and aluminum cans. It is a manufacturer or an operator of reverse vending. So ano daw ba yung objective nila? Ang sabi, ang objective nila is to promote and contribute to the sustainable development. And they aim also a life cycle assessment. Guys, sa ibang bansa meron na rin ganito. Actually, nauna pa kasi sa Qatar, especially in Europe area. They support guys in green building initiatives and regulations in decarbonization.
Okay. I'll press it.
Start. Then, put the bottle inside. Please wait. Okay.
Guys, in our everyday life, don't forget to apply yung 4 R's natin. Isang way na makakatulong tayo sa ating kalikasan. Ano nga ba itong mga to? Ito ay refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Open it. Open it. Here. No.
Finish. What? Phone number.
No. 66.
6. I know.
1.
1.
8. 1. Done.
Done. Complete. Done. No.
Brother, what do we get?
You already put your mobile number?
Yeah.
You have that application?
No, I don't have.
You make that platform. Download the
Eco
application.
platform. Then what will I do?
You register the same number.
Yeah.
Account.
Yeah.
There is coming points.
Points.
Okay.
Then,
I don't know after I hear that song, after we can shopping online like that.
okay. In Lulu.
No. Talabat.
In Talabat. Online.
Online.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Where's our wallet? Where's the plastic? Oh, you put the plastic there. Let's go. Eco platform. And
This is 150.
okay.
I'm gonna get this.
Dahil natuwa si Mami sa mga babies ko, syempre may reward ang mga ito. Pinapili ko sila sa mga gusto nilang bilhin. Kahit si Bilog, namili rin.
Done.
Okay. Let's go.
Wait.
You like baby eyes?
That one? This one, I think.
Hindi. Mamili eh.
You're pointing at this.
And which one you like? There? What? Which one you like?
Thank you guys for watching and listening my story. God bless.